Most people skip this chapter. It just looks like a long list of names. Boring, irrelevant. But this chapter explains something most people quietly struggle with. Why your past doesn't disqualify you from your future. And if you miss this, you miss the foundation of the entire Bible. Matthew chapter 1 does two main things. First, it shows the family line of Jesus Christ, tracing his ancestry through generations. Second, it tells the story of his birth. Mary is found to be pregnant. Joseph is confused and plans to quietly leave. Then an angel appears and tells him, "This child is from God. Name him Jesus. He will save people from their sins." And Joseph makes a decision. He chooses to trust God instead of his fear. This chapter shows something powerful. Jesus didn't come from a perfect background. He stepped into broken history, flawed people, real life. So he understands yours. And his name means God saves. Not God helps good people, not God rewards perfection. He saves. That's the foundation of everything. So what does this mean for you? Your past doesn't cancel you. Your situation isn't random. Your confusion doesn't mean you're lost. The real question is, will you trust God when you don't fully understand what He's doing? Most people skip this chapter, but maybe the reason it's here is because you needed to hear it. Now let's read Matthew 1. This is the genealogy of Jesus Christ, the son of David, the son of Abraham. Abraham was the father of Isaac, Isaac the father of Jacob, Jacob the father of Judah and his brothers. And through generations the line continues, through kings, through failures, through people who got it right and many who didn't, until we come to Joseph, the husband of Mary. And Mary was the mother of Jesus, who is called the Messiah. Now this is how the birth of Jesus came about. His mother Mary was pledged to be married to Joseph, but before they came together, she was found to be pregnant through the Holy Spirit. Joseph, being faithful but not wanting to expose her, planned to leave quietly. But after he had considered this, an angel appeared to him in a dream and said, "Do not be afraid to take Mary as your wife, because what is conceived in her is from the Holy Spirit. She will give birth to a son, and you are to give him the name Jesus, because he will save his people from their sins." When Joseph woke up, he did what the angel commanded and took Mary as his wife. Now take a moment. Go and read the full chapter for yourself. Let it speak to you directly. And if you want to grow closer to the Bible, like, subscribe, and join us for more 10-minute Bible, as we break it down into simple, manageable pieces. Thank you for watching.